Okay, so you're ready to get into hunting here in BC?
Awesome.
That's so cool. But
Yeah.
there's some stuff you got to do before you can actually like head out into the woods and bag that, prize animal.
Yeah, you can't just grab your rifle and head out.
No, definitely not.
You got to be responsible.
Responsibly, yeah. And the first step is getting your Fish and Wildlife ID.
Or FWID.
Yeah, FWID is way easier to say that.
Much easier. Yeah, it's like the golden ticket to hunting in BC.
It is. It's like your passport to hunting.
Exactly. And this deep dive is going to walk you through exactly how to get it, assuming that you've already done your core exam.
If you haven't done that yet,
Yeah.
definitely check out bcfirearmsacademy.ca. They can help you out with all of that. But for this deep dive, we're going to assume that you've already got that part done and you're ready for the next steps.
Exactly.
Okay, so you've passed the core exam.
Awesome.
You know what? Congratulations.
Big step.
Big step. So what happens next?
Well, after you pass both the written and the practical portions of the core exam,
Yeah.
the instructor is going to give you a document,
Okay.
a document of completion.
Okay.
And that basically says, hey, this person has successfully completed the course.
Awesome.
Now, that piece of paper is very important.
Okay.
Keep it safe because you're going to need it.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to take that document of completion and you're going to send it to the BC Wildlife Federation.
Okay, the BCWF, we've heard about them.
Yeah, those are the guys, the BC Wildlife Federation, and there's a small administration fee,
Okay.
$30 that you have to send along with it. And the address for that is 9706 188th Street in Surrey, BC V4N 3M2.
Got it. So make sure you write that down, but also maybe double check that on their website just in case anything's changed, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Websites, they change all the time.
They do.
So BC Wildlife Federation, they get your document.
Yeah,
They get your $30.
that's right.
And then what do?
And they issue your official graduation certificate.
Okay, so that's not the FWID.
No, that's not the FWID.
Okay.
Graduation certificate's like proof that you passed the course.
Okay, but we're getting close.
We're getting close.
What's next?
The graduation certificate allows you to apply for your FWID, and you do that through the provincial government.
Okay, and the FWID itself is free.
Yes, that's the good news.
Okay.
It's free, but you will have to prove your BC residency and meet minimum age requirements.
Okay, so that's kind of interesting. So there's some age restrictions.
Absolutely.
Okay, interesting.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, so you can apply online or you can go in person to a Service BC location.
That's right.
Either one, whatever works.
Both offer hunting services, so
Cool.
easy peasy.
So to recap,
Yeah.
you've passed core.
Yep.
You've sent your document to the BCWF. They give you a certificate.
Mm-hmm.
Now you take that to Service BC or apply online.
That's right.
You've got your FWID
You got it.
and you're ready to go hunting.
You're ready to hit the woods.
Pretty straightforward.
It is pretty straightforward.
I think a lot of people, they hear all these steps and they get kind of overwhelmed.
Absolutely.
But it's really not that bad once you break it down.
No. And bcfirearmsacademy.ca is a great resource.
Yeah,
They've got tons of information on their website.
definitely go there, check it out.
Yeah, and they're really helpful if you have any questions.
So now you know how to get your FWID. What kind of hunting adventures are you going to go on?
What are you going to bag?
Yeah, what are you
Yeah.
going for? Deer, moose,
Maybe some ducks.
ducks.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
Lots of opportunities out there in BC.
Absolutely.
Happy hunting.
Happy hunting.
And as always, stay safe out there.
Yes. Safety first.
Absolutely. All right, we'll see you next time on the deep dive.
So yes.